Hey, what's up everyone, and welcome to a quick how-to video from the Weekend Gear Guide. For those of you who own the Under Armour Sportsmask, you most likely have experienced the issue where the smooth UA iso-chill fabric along the interior of the nose area of the mask tends to slip down your nose when either talking or moving, as shown here. Fortunately, this Weekend Gear Guide video will show how you can prevent this from ever happening. All that's required is a good adhesive nose bridge pad similar to this one that's included with the Astro AI reusable dust mask. There are other adhesive nose bridge pads like these ones which can be purchased from Amazon in bulk, which also work, but so far we've had great success with the nose bridge pad from Astro AI since it has a nice grippy surface that does not slip when in contact with your nose. So what we've simply done here is peeled the nose pad from the wax backer and stuck the adhesive side to the interior of the nose fabric of our Under Armour sports mask, ensuring it's pressed in nice and secure, and there you have it. The Under Armour sports mask no longer slips down the nose when talking or moving. Thank you for watching this video. If you have any questions about this how-to video or would like to see some reviews on any other gear for your weekend adventure, please leave them in the comments below. Hit that like button if you found this review helpful and informative, click on the subscribe button to get notified of new reviews, and stay tuned for the next Weekend Gear Guide episode.